Hi guys, it's Patrick Ta and this is Olivia Madorma. We are here today to celebrate Ciate. Say it with me.
Ciate.
10 years of Beauty Unexpected. We are focusing on their newest Dewy obsessions, Dewy Blush. So if you guys want to keep on watching, it's gonna be major. One of the most important steps to dewy skin is skin prep. So I'm using the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It's really important to have hydrated skin before we do anything, just so the skin is nice and plump and dewy and just ready for makeup. I also want to use the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil just to make sure that the lips are nice and plump for... Oh, that looks so good. That looks so nice. How does it feel?
Oh, it's so nice.
Ooh.
I love this.
So since I'm going to be doing the eyes first, I'm going to be applying some eye patches. These are the watermelon eye patches. This is going to help like the under eyes just plump up, but also it helps me with my eyeshadow. So then we have no fallout and you look so cute.
It should be a filter.
I'm going to apply a little bit of a foundation just like right onto the eyes. So then this really gives a nice base for the eyeshadow to stick onto. So I'm gonna be using the editor's palette in the color Saint-Tropez. So I really want this to be very monochromatic and very, just like very soft and light. So I'm gonna start off with this color first, right here. And just put this just onto the eyelids. I'm not gonna bring it too far up onto the brow bone. I'm trying to focus most of the color just like right on the outer crease and right on the lid. So now I'm gonna use this nice like pink shade just because I want everything to be nice and monochromatic, and I'm gonna apply that just like right on to the eyelids. The pigment is so nice, it's just blends really easily, which is really important for an eyeshadow. So I want to bring a little bit of light onto the eyes, so I'm just gonna use this Marbled Metals in the color Gilded. I like to use my fingers for this. So this has a really nice like pinky coppery reflex pearl in it, and this is really just going to open up the eye, easily blend this into the brow bone. Gorgeous color Entwine just right into the inner tear duct. This is gonna bring a lot of light. It still has a really nice like pinky undertone to it, so it still plays like really well until the whole entire look. But the overall purpose of this look is to look just effortless, but still glam and gorge. So I'm gonna merge the two colors together and just kind of like have like a little like light overlay of like each color onto the eyes, but just like pulling the eyes out. So now we can take off these eye patches. Like you can see how it just like really created a nice shape for us, but also it kept the under eyes nice and clean. It's really important, I feel like, when you do like glittery looks like this, like the under eyes are best when you have like eye patches on. So I went ahead and did her foundation and concealer off camera, but now I'm gonna be using the Triple Shot XXL mascara, and I'm just gonna show you the difference what this mascara does on one eye to the other eye. I love this one because the end is a really nice thin tip, and then it wides out towards the outer, so it can really like fan out the outer eye. So just zoom up for us. Do you guys see the difference with mascara and without mascara? She just looks so much more awake. So my favorite part, blush. So this is Ciate's new Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint, and I went ahead and swatched them for you. So this is coconut, this is papaya, and this is pomegranate. So these blushes, like as you can see, they are super dewy, so it gives you like a really beautiful sheen, and the color payoff is so beautiful. You look like the color is coming from within. So I'm gonna show you on one cheek and then just show you the difference of what it does. Applying the color coconut, I'm using this really soft brush from Ciate, and I'm just gonna apply it just like right onto the apples of the cheeks. It's super thin, so it just gives you that color, that like lit from within. Because it is formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, it just leaves the skin like that glass-like finish, and I love like how sheer it is. So it is universal, and so you see this cheek, And this cheek, dead alive. And I always like to put a little bit onto the back of my palm first. And the consistency is amazing. It's like a gel balm tint. I'm just gonna go in patting motions because I don't wanna mess up my foundation, but by patting this into the skin, it just like, you can like kind of focus where you want the pigment and where you want the shine. Wow, this is really pretty. I think this would be even really beautiful on the eyelids as well if you want that like just like super glossy undone look. So you guys know that I love blush, so this is also available at Sephora, and it's just like a really great expansion of their Dewy range. They always have like such beautiful dewy skin. You guys know that I love glow, but sometimes I like to even put this just like right onto the peak of the forehead to bring the blush everywhere, just so you can, everything just like ties really nice and beautiful together. I went ahead and lined the lips with a really nice mauve pink, and I'm gonna color in the lips with the Wonder Wand lipstick in the color Exposed. The reason why I chose this color is because I want like a lip that is gonna really complement the blush. So just like in the same family tone, I really love like monochromatic looks. I want to add a little bit of gloss, so this is the Ciate London Pump Plump in the color Blossom. What you want to do is just squeeze and pump the lip down, and it's going to apply it right to the lips. Glossy. I love that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love this look just as much as we do. This is all available at Sephora, so just keep on glowing.
Glow.